Hey guys, we're taking the Rally Fighter out again today. Today we got Joe with us from here at the campground, and we're gonna go towards Joshua Tree and maybe up into Johnson Valley there and go see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. Okay guys, so I made a little bit of a whoopsie. You know how I told you have piss poor visual up at the front end of the car? Well, the front end being independent, I was fine. And then I got to the rear end. Now the pumpkin's hung up. And if you notice, both my tires are actually off the ground. And I'm just balancing up on the pumpkin. Yeah. This is gonna be a good one. Hey guys, we've been at this probably around an hour, and here's what we come up with. I took the race seat, the seat belts out, plumbed around a couple of rocks on either side, and the idea is it's gonna be like the lobe on a cam. As we spin, the rocks should bite in, lift us forward and drop us. Now whether or not it actually works, who knows, but that's what we're gonna do. Fire extinguisher is on the passenger side. Moment of truth.
Hold it. Mike, you're a genius.
Okay guys, my cam lobe idea worked. Got us pulled up out. I didn't get the video of it because my camera died. Luckily Joe did, and he said he's gonna get me that so I can get that put up with the rest of this. It was pretty amusing at the least. I know inside the car it felt interesting.